Alright, so family, so I purchased this sewing machine from the thrift store. I've had it for a little bit, and I knew it was a few parts that I needed to get it so it would be working. So the first thing that I realized that I needed in here, let me move this up like that. So you can see, the first thing I needed, it didn't have these pieces right here. So I just borrowed them from a machine right now until mine's come in the mail. So I had to replace this whole bottom part, but then I thought I was in good shape, y'all, because the machine actually works. But the issue I'm having now is the slot where your needle's supposed to go. It don't seem like it wants to receive the needle in there. That part right there, that one that's going up and down. It doesn't want to take my needle, so I gotta figure out what's wrong, or what am I doing wrong. Then I'm thinking maybe I was putting the needle in wrong, because I do have the other little slot where it's supposed to go in there. I'm going to try something. Y'all, let me tell you, I know when they say user error. Yeah, this is user error. So what I'm realizing about this older machine is this right here, this little area right here is where you put the flat part of your needle and then screw the thing on there. So I'm going to see if that works.
Adopted Alvin, Simon, and Theodore to be his children. You three now have all the legal rights of any natural child, but Chipmunk. I hereby sign this order confirming this adoption. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Guys, just
Yes, sir. Think they never taste so good.
I have that picture.
Protection. Y'all need to be afraid of me. Got two ways to protect myself out here. This shirt and this pistol. Their fierce powers at work in the world, boys. Good, evil, poor luck, best luck. Men, we gotta take advantage where we can. Y'all coming?
An intruder.
Alright, y'all, so I'm still at it, and let me tell y'all something. I'm really impressed by this machine, and I haven't even really gotten down to the creases yet, but I was just trying to make sure that all the parts at least work. But it does sew very well. This is my little sample test sheet that I used, and I just did it straight. But look, that's a good stitch right there. Now, another thing I realized is that, so the machine does work. Let me just say that it works. The light's up, but here's the problem that we have down here. So down here under the machine, there's this little adapter thing right here. This adapter is fine, but the adapter piece to it, the end of it is broke. So I gotta go to like Home Depot and get like the little end cap, and then I'll be able to sew, because right now if I plug in the motor, the lever's just gonna go up and down, and so I won't have any control going on. So that doesn't work for me. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot in the morning, grab me one of those pieces so I can replace it, and then I'm gonna wait for this piece to come. I'm actually gonna take all of this off, and I'm going to put it in some like WD-40 to get all that rust and stuff off, and then give it a good thorough cleaning, because it has not been cleaned. Again, like I said, I've just been kind of testing it to make sure that it works, and I'm impressed. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all, I really, this universal I'm impressed. I like it. I'm still working the dials and figuring things out. Like earlier today, y'all, I had this all the way up, and I know that all the way up means reverse. That's how we do when we're sewing anything regular. But and it was sewing backwards. And I was like, why is it doing that? How about we put that back down to where it should be? So again, I think I did really good with this one. And like I said, it has the case, it has drawers. And this is good for me because when I'm coming to the DC house, when I have to work, now I don't have to keep carrying machines with me around. So I needed a good machine here that I would be able to sew with, and I can leave like all my other goodies and stuff down in the sewing studio. Look, y'all. Hey, y'all, so that's my video for today. I'm a little tired, but I got some reading I need to do for my class, so I'm gonna do that. But I'm excited. Yeah, I'm excited about the machine. I'm glad that it works. I'm glad that I was able to. It's not a whole bunch of things that I need to do to it. Like I said, once I get that cord, I'll really be able to use it, because then I can control how the machine is going up and down. But right now, I don't have any control over the lever when it's going up and down, and I'm a little afraid to sew like that. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to fix that tomorrow. But tomorrow what we're going to do is I'm going to get on here again, and I do have to go into the office tomorrow, so tomorrow's going to be a really later video. And then I also have like a business briefing, a money mixer tomorrow evening in Oxon Hill, Maryland. If you're looking to make some extra income, or you want to learn how to create another stream of income, hit me up in the comments or send me a message at kCharlesCouture@gmail.com, and I can let you know what I got going on. It may be for you, it may not be for you, but guess what? If it's for you, I'd rather me tell you about it and you not hear it than not hear about it and you need it. So that's my take. Okay, so again, thanks for tuning in with me, y'all. Like I said, I'm going to post something every single day. Now, I didn't post anything in my YouTube channel yesterday, but I did post on my Instagram story. And what I posted was this picture right here. And I posted this because this is the dress that I created that told me, you know what, you got this in you. You definitely got it. So go ahead and do it. Go ahead and get your line started. Go ahead and get that YouTube channel started. This was the dress, y'all. This dress right here. This is the dress that started all of that. And it started that because I was so impressed with how perfect I had that, the placement of the pattern. Because I'm going to tell you, I had to turn one upside down so I can get the black in one area around my stomach. And then make sure that the pattern was down my sleeve. Listen, I worked hard on that dress. And it was self-drafted. That was a self-drafted dress that I just kind of made up and said, you know what, this would look good like this, and I just did it. And that was the beginning of 10 years ago. Wow. 10 years ago, that was me. And I was actually on that way, and I was on my way to see my son. He's an upcoming rap artist, and he was having a showcase, and I went to go see him and his group in the showcase. But that's all I got for y'all tonight. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out. Oh, and just, you know, I'm definitely going to see y'all tomorrow, because guess what? I'm wearing one of my button-ups that I made tomorrow and my cute little red pants that I made. Yeah. kCharles Couture, every day, all day. Peace out. I'll see y'all tomorrow.